Hey guys, it's just Demo here, and I'd like to say Happy New Year's to everybody. It's officially 2019, and I know a lot of people are going to be doing New Year's resolutions, and I'd like to do one. And mine is a problem that I've been struggling with recently. It's just not getting stuff done, wasting time, procrastinating pretty much, and I'd really like to change that. The way I'd like to do that first is this back row of my property has always been real junky, and I'd really like to start cleaning that up. There's some other projects that I've been putting off, like building the pallet cabin. You'll see in future videos, putting a top on my Jeep. There's just a bunch of little stuff that I'd like to do. Some of those things are like physical health. I'd really like to start doing some type of push-ups or something every day, just something to keep my body active and ready and healthy and all that good stuff. And as I'm doing this, I'm just making this a public video. That way I kind of have some backing to it. I've got people that are going to be watching me and making sure I stay up on it, and just a little bit of support. I think that would be awesome. This is just going to be a short video saying Happy New Year and making some life changes throughout my life, and there'll be some more things that I've been thinking about that I've wanted to do, and I'll be making videos over those. And I'm gonna say it right now, I'm really wanting this YouTube thing to work, and I'm gonna do that by posting a video once a week. I will post at least one video once a week. I don't know if it'll be a minute. I don't know if it'll be an hour long. I don't know if it'll include her. I don't know if it'll include him, but it's going to be something every day just to keep you guys entertained. And I really want to stick with it for a whole entire year. I just think it'd be awesome, and I really appreciate you guys watching this and seeing them be dumb. But I love all the junk people throw back in an alley.
Pulled this whole thing out.
Of course, Breezy's back here hard working, and Wrigley's over there. He's perfectly camouflaged. Breezy, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You sit. You sit. Hey, you sit. Sit down. No, he's camera shy. So as you guys can see here, we're getting a pretty good pile going here and a little one there, but we're getting a lot done. You can actually see through there now, which is a lot better to me. I thought it just looked really trashy and everything before. And now we go over here, got a lot of cardboard and stuff I've collected up, so I'm gonna get a small fire going so we can try to burn off most of that. Or not. We'll be right back after these tags. One challenge I'm gonna have with this is a lot of this stuff is real wet. It's been raining here for a while. Hopefully if we let a lot of air get to that, we'll start burning those. We can get it flipped over. Smoke coming up. Well, after almost an hour of messing with this stupid fire, we finally got enough dry stuff going to where it's actually burning on its own, so that's awesome. Kind of got that pile out of the way, almost completely got that pile out of the way. And Breeze is back there raking leaves. And Wrigley, of course, protecting the place. Okay guys, this will finally conclude this video. So this is kind of just episode 1 of getting my house ready, but as you can see, it just looks 10 times better. We still got that area there and that area there because that whole tree's dead and it'll need to come down. Eventually I'd like to get a big privacy fence to go all the way around this. That's the goal. Have get-togethers back here and so on and so forth. But thanks to Wrigley being a good guard dog, aren't you, Wrigley? And Breezy helping out all day. We got a lot done. And like I said, I'm gonna be posting a video every week, at least one. I don't care how short it is. I just want to get out some content. I want to make this a thing. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.